called one place and then they wouldn't give me a rate.
Yeah.
So then I called you and then I got a rate. So then I just went with you.
Nice. Well, you probably would have ended up going with me anyway at this point, if this is the case. Because the simple way to do it didn't work. Just for the fun of it, we'll try this key in the ignition. Okay. Turn your alarm off just because. It definitely was changed. Okay, I'm like 1000% sure that it was changed at some point. Yeah, I mean, it's possible if it was like if it was repoed or who knows what, you know, before you bought it. Let's dissect that. It's different, but not by much. All right, we're gonna pull this lock apart. Okay, we'll take this cover off. So looking at this cover's on here loose. This cover definitely was removed at some point. If not, it would be a lot tighter from the factory. So I'm gonna say definitely this car was rekeyed because the factory key code did not work. Let's put our key in. Now most of it is flush. There's a few back ones that are changed. Looks like they just moved around the last 4 wafers. So I'll cut that key. So one side.